Oh, come on in, dear. Take a seat. Let me tell you a little story. Whenever I think of true comfort, my mind wanders back to my own grandma's kitchen. It was a cozy little room, always filled with the hum of a simmering pot and the scent of something wonderful. Her most special dish, the one that meant family and warmth and Sunday afternoons, was Tavche Gravche. It's a beautiful baked bean dish from Macedonia, and it's a pure hug in a bowl. She believed that good food wasn't about fancy tricks, but about patience and a happy heart. She would tell me, good food needs time and love, and her smile was the secret ingredient. Before we start our cooking, let me tell you a little bit about where this wonderful dish comes from. Tavche Gravche is the proud national dish of Macedonia, a beautiful country in the Balkans with rolling hills and ancient towns. This recipe is a taste of its history and its heart. Beans traveled a long way, then found a happy home in small family gardens. With a few simple additions from the backyard, humble beans became something special. In Macedonia, the most beloved way is baked in a traditional clay dish. The name tells the story. Tavche means pan, Gravche means beans. Simply beans in a pan. It's hospitality, a centerpiece at gatherings, a comforting meal on a chilly day, the soul of Macedonian home cooking. Now, let's get our ingredients together. You'll see there's nothing fancy here. Just good, honest food. The secret isn't rare spices, it's quality and care. Here is our little list of treasures. Don't worry about writing it perfectly. We'll need about 2 cups of dry white beans, small or medium, 1 large sweet onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. About 3 tablespoons of good olive oil. This is the foundation of our flavor. Sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon, and 1 ripe tomato or half a cup canned. About a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, a bay leaf for the cook, parsley to finish, and plenty of fresh water. Dry beans soaked overnight give the creamiest texture. The journey begins the night before. Take 2 cups of dry white beans and give them a good look. Cover with plenty of cold water. They'll get very thirsty overnight. Let them soak at least 8 hours, even just overnight on the counter. In the morning, drain and rinse. Place in a large pot. Cover with fresh water an inch or 2 above, and add a single bay leaf. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a bare simmer. Cook gently. Don't rush. Simmer 45 minutes to an hour, depending on bean freshness. Add hot water if the level drops. They're ready when you can squish one easily, but it still holds its shape. Tender, not mushy. Drain the beans and save some of that flavorful cooking liquid. We'll need it for the sauce. A little planning sets a good cook apart. With our beans resting, it's time to build the heart and soul, the sauce. Warm 3 tablespoons of olive oil on medium-low. Add your chopped onion. The secret is to cook it slowly. Coax the sweetness out, soft, translucent, and lightly golden. About 10 minutes. Invite the red pepper to the party and cook 5 minutes more. Add crushed garlic and stir for 1 minute. Don't let it burn. Lower the heat and sprinkle in a teaspoon of sweet paprika. Stir quickly for 30 seconds to release that color and warmth. Carefully. Immediately add tomato, fresh or canned, and let it all simmer 5 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. When it thickens and everything gets to know each other, the magic is ready. The time has come to bring our work together. Any baking dish works, ceramic, glass, or traditional clay. Pour in the beans and spread them evenly. Now pour that glorious sauce right over the top. Gently mix so every bean is kissed by sauce. Add about a cup of the reserved cooking liquid. Season with salt and pepper, give a final stir, and taste the liquid. Trust your tongue. Preheated oven at 350 degrees or 175 degrees. Cover tightly to trap steam and tenderize. Bake 30 to 40 minutes. For the last 10 minutes, uncover to form a gentle crust. When bubbly and slightly browned, take it out and let it rest a few minutes. Oh, just look at what you've made. Before you even take a bite, enjoy it with all your senses. First, breathe in that incredible aroma, warm and earthy. Deep sweetness from slow-cooked onions and red peppers, the gentle warmth of paprika, and a savory hint of garlic. See that deep, reddish-brown color and the lightly burnished crust? The beans are whole and plump, nestled in a thick, rich sauce. A simple sprinkle of parsley adds freshness. Take your first bite. The beans are creamy inside, with skins that give a gentle bite. The sauce is velvety from olive oil and bean starch. Simple yet deep and comforting. Onion, pepper, tomato, all in harmony. A chorus instead of a solo. This is a hug in a bowl. Gentle, nourishing, and the kind of food that makes you slow down and feel at peace. Now that you have this beautiful pot, you might wonder what to serve alongside. A loaf of good, crusty bread, peasant loaf or baguette, is perfect for sopping up that rich sauce. There is no greater pleasure. A fresh chopped salad with olive oil and vinegar is a bright contrast. A little soft, crumbly feta is lovely too. It makes a hearty vegetarian main, or a side at a larger feast. It pairs wonderfully with grilled meats, sausages, and pork chops. Smoke meets earthy sweetness. Roasted vegetables make an even heartier veg-forward spread. A cool dollop of yogurt or sour cream is delightful. Most important, gather loved ones, share the bread and salad, and enjoy the company. We've come to the end of our little journey. Be proud of what you've made. Use good beans. They're the star. Please don't rush the onions. That's where the deep sweetness comes from. If you like a gentle kick, add a pinch of chili with the paprika. It's even better the next day. Reheat gently, adding a splash of water if needed. Most important, cooking is a gentle act of love. Simple ingredients, time and care can fill hearts with gladness. Put on music you love, cook with a calm heart, and think of the people you will feed. Make Tavche Gravche part of your family's story. Gather, break bread, and share its humble Macedonian roots. Let the warmth of your kitchen spread. Enjoy, my dear.